Hello, students. I hope you all are well and safe. Today, I will explain you next parts of speech, pronoun, that is our chapter 4. A pronoun is a substitute word that is used in place of a noun. इट मीन्स एक जो प्रोनाउन है वो एक सब्स्टिट्यूट वर्ड है जो किसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करता है, नाउन को. इट मीन्स एट द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन वर्ड्स वी यूज्ड आर कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. जिन वर्ड्स को हम नाउन के प्लेस पर यूज करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोनाउन. Pronoun can do everything that a noun can do. As we know that we are using pronoun at the place of a noun, so pronouns can do everything that a noun can do. जो भी noun करता है sentence में वो सारे वर्क एक pronoun भी करता है. Common pronouns are he, she, you, me, it, I, we, us, this, them, that, etc. As you all know about these pronouns, a pronoun can act as a subject. What is the work of a pronoun in the sentence? It works like a subject, direct object, indirect object, object of the preposition, and more, and takes the place of any person, place, animal or thing. As we know that pronouns are used at the place of noun, so we can substitute a person, place or animal by a pronoun word. And a pronoun can act like a subject in the sentence, like a direct object in the sentence, indirect object in the sentence, and it may be a object of preposition. It means preposition का object के रूप में भी ये work कर सकता है एक sentence में. Without pronouns, we had constantly, it means always, have to repeat nouns. अगर हम pronoun का use नहीं करते, it means हमें again and again noun को repeat करना होगा sentence में. That would make our speech repetitive, जिससे हमारी जो speech है, जो हम बोल रहे हैं, वो repetitive होगी, बार बार जो noun है वो repeat होगी. Using pronouns help the flow of sentence and makes them more interesting. जो pronoun का use है उससे हमारे sentence की flow बनी रहती है and वो interesting बन जाता है. जो हमारा sentence है that become more interesting. For example, Raju is absent because Raju is ill. Here the noun is Raju and we repeat Raju and Raju again and again. But if we use a pronoun at the place of this noun, it become interesting. Raju is absent because he is ill, and we can understand that we are talking about Raju by using pronoun he. He का use करने के बाद भी हम ये समझ पा रहे हैं that he is used at the place of Raju, और ये उसी के बारे में हमें sentence में explain कर रहा है. Now let's see kinds of pronoun. First, personal pronoun. Second, relative pronoun. Third is interrogative pronoun. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. Distributive pronoun. And indefinite pronoun. In this chapter, we will talk about all these pronouns in detail. First, we will see personal pronoun. Words like I, me, mine, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. These words that directly represent some person or thing are personal pronouns. ये जो words होते हैं he, she, it, they, I, me, ये direct किसी person या thing को represent करते हैं. So these are called personal pronouns. Here these are classified into 3 groups. ये जो personal pronoun है इसे 3 groups में divide किया गया है. First person, as we know and we read about first person, second person, third person in our previous classes, referring to the person speaking. First person is the speaker in the sentence. Who is the first person? Who speak in the sentence. जो भी sentence में बोलता है that is called first person. And first person. This is used in three cases: nominative, possessive and accusative. Nominative का मीनिंग होता है subjective. Nominative meaning subjective at the place of subject, and accusative it means object. So nominative, in singular case we use I and in plural we use we. Possessive as we know that possessive का मीनिंग होता है किसी चीज पर अधिकार बताना. So in singular we use my and mine as the pronoun, and in plural we use our and ours. Accusative, me and us in plural form. Examples of first person: I am a boy. Here I is singular and this is in subjective case. We are girls and this is subjective case but plural. Now second person, referring to the person speaking. Referring to the person spoken to, it means जिससे कहा जा रहा है. फर्स्ट पर्सन it means जो कह रहा है, जो बोल रहा है. सेकंड पर्सन जिससे कह रहा है, it means जो सुन रहा है, we can say listener. Second person in nominative case singular is you and plural is also you. In possessive, your and yours, and plural is also your and yours. Accusative, you and you. Now let's see example. You should stop smoking. You are young. Here you is used as a singular form in subjective case, in nominative case. Now third person, referring to the person or thing spoken of. Listen students. First person who is speaking in the sentence, जो बोलता है sentence में. Second person who the person who spoke to, जिससे कहा जा रहा है, who is the listener, जो listener है, जो सुन रहा है. and third person जो speaker है और जो सुन रहा है, listener है, वो दोनों जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is called third person. referring to the person or thing spoken of, जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. in third person nominative case he, she, it in singular form. in plural they. Possessive, his, her, hers, and the plural form is their and theirs. Accusative case him, her and it, and plural is them. He is a boy. In this, he is used as a nominative case and this is singular. She is a girl. They are children. Here they is plural in nominative case, in subjective case. Note, the pronouns my, or, your, his, her, their and its are called possessive adjectives. Dear students, ये जो words है my, or, your, his, her and their and its, these are possessive adjectives. ये possessive adjectives होते हैं. They can be used before noun to describe them. It means ये noun से पहले use किए जाते हैं उसे describe करने के लिए. The pronouns mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs are called possessive pronouns. So these are possessive adjectives and these are possessive pronouns. But his and hers is used both possessive adjective as well as possessive pronoun. ये दो word ऐसे होते हैं his and hers जो possessive adjective के रूप में भी यूज़ किए जाते हैं possessive pronoun के रूप में भी यूज़ किए जाते हैं. Here is a description. These are possessive adjective and this is possessive pronoun. My, and the possessive pronoun of my is mine. Your, yours. His, her and its. His, hers and its are ours. Their, theirs. Now let's see some examples. These are the possessive adjectives example and these are possessive pronouns example. This is my car. Here, this is पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, बिकॉज ये कार के बारे में बता रहा है कि जो कार है उस पर पोजीशन किसका है, मेरा. दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोजीशन, ये पोजीशन बता रहा है. एंड अबाउट नाउन, हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नाउन, यहाँ हम नाउन की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन, दिस कार इज माइन. हेयर इज ऑल्सो ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोजीशन, यहाँ भी ये पोजीशन की बात कर रहा है, बट दिस केस इज इन प्रोनाउन. ये कौन से केस में है, पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन केस में है. दिस इज हिज हाउस. बिफोर नाउन वी यूज पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. जो पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव होंगे उन्हें हम नाउन से पहले यूज करेंगे, बट पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउंस यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. आफ्टर द नाउन we use these words like this house is his. Here the noun is house, but we use his after the noun. But here we use all possessive adjective before noun. Like these are their books. Before books we use their. These books are theirs. And here books is noun, but the word theirs is possessive pronoun. This is our village. This village is ours. As I told you, we use possessive adjective before the noun. You have to remember this thing, that possessive adjectives are used before the noun. Understand? Now let's see the book exercise related to the personal pronoun. Fill in the blanks with appropriate personal pronouns. It means you have to mention here personal pronouns. Rohit's father was medical officer. रोहित के फादर मेडिकल ऑफिसर हैं. एंड ही न्यू हाउ मैनी डॉक्टर्स इन द सिटी. और वो जानते हैं कि सिटी में कितने डॉक्टर हैं. We are talking about Rohit's father, and as we know Rohit's father is a man, so we use here he as a pronoun. Vasudha went to school, but as she was late, the class teacher punished her. Here we are talking about a girl, Vasudha, so we use here she, and the objective case of she is her. I am hungry. Can you give me something to eat? She and I live close by. वो और मैं पास पास में रहते हैं. My house is second in the lane. My, it means I का objective case है. So here we use the objective case of she. And hers is the sixth. This grammar book is mine and that is hers. The girl in blue dress is happy because she won the lottery. My cat is very lazy. For non-living things and animals, we use it as a pronoun. It sleeps the whole day long. I wished him good luck for his football match. A dog is black. It looks ferocious. Rahim, let me see your watch. This is the first exercise. You have to mention this exercise in your book. I hope you have understand personal pronoun. In our next video, we will discuss next parts of pronoun. Thank you and have a nice day.